In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image in WordPress. This is a great way to bring your website to life by combining visuals with impactful messaging. Whether you're creating a stunning header, a promotional banner, or just adding a creative touch to your pages, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and by the end, you'll have a professional-looking design that stands out. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can find a sign-up link in the description below to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once there, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on the login option. To make the login process smoother and quicker, I recommend selecting the option to continue using your Google account for authentication. This way, you won't need to manually enter credentials every time. Choose the Google account you typically use for WordPress and proceed with the sign-in process. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Now locate the Quick Links section on the dashboard and click on the Edit Site option. This will take you to the WordPress site editor, where all the customization magic happens. Let's move into the first step of customizing your page, adding a cover block. In the upper left corner of the site editor, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that to add a new block. In the search field that appears, type the word cover from the list of results. Select the cover block. The cover block is specifically designed for combining images with text, making it the ideal choice for this kind of design. Once you've selected it, wait for the cover block to be inserted into your page layout. It should only take a moment. Next up, let's add a background image to your cover block. To do this, locate the Select Media option inside the cover block settings and click on it. You'll be presented with a few choices, but for this tutorial, select the Media Library option. This will give you access to all the images you've previously uploaded to WordPress. Browse through your media items and click on the photo you'd like to use as your background. Once you've made your choice, confirm your selection by clicking the Select button. This will set the image as the background for your cover block, giving your page a polished, professional look. With the background image in place, it's time to add some text over it. Click on the text area within the cover block. Here you can type the message or title you want to overlay on top of the image. Be creative. This is your chance to make a bold statement or add a meaningful caption that complements the visual. After typing out your text, you can adjust its styling to make it stand out. In the block settings, you'll find options to change the font size, color, and alignment. Feel free to experiment with these settings to ensure your text is both legible and visually appealing. For example, you might increase the font size to make your message more prominent, or adjust the color to contrast nicely with the background image. And that's it. You've successfully added text over an image in WordPress. By following these steps, you now have a dynamic and engaging design element that can be used throughout your site. If you have any questions or need help with other WordPress features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.